Alex here, and in this video I want to talk about one of my favorite tools in Skema, Morphing. With Morphing, you'll never have cookie cutter designs because you're able to push and pull your design catalog elements to suit your design needs. Let's dive into the different ways to morph. So one way you can morph is by taking an already existing or already placed design catalog unit or element and simply just dragging it or pushing it and pulling it to fit into the space on your floor layout. And you can see right before your eyes the unit gets stretched or morphed while still maintaining its BIM integrity. Another way you can morph units is by creating a custom geometry on your floor plate and then taking a design catalog element or unit and applying it to this custom shape on the floor plate itself. And you'll notice when you place these shapes, all the fixed dimensions you will create and all the rules you create within your catalog will maintain as you're making these new custom flexible units within your floor layout. Using Skema's morphing functionality allows you to take existing design catalog elements and turn them into flexible, smart units while still being able to create new, flexible, and clean designs.